Okay guys, so today I'm going to start finishing this trailer once and for all. Before I can get started on this, it's a mess. It's a huge mess. So we'll have to sort it out somehow. Anyways, so let's get started. Just sorting this out and then we get onto the trailer, finishing it off with the doors. Shout out to BPF for making me my hinges that I need. So let's have a look. All custom. Yeah, so let's get these doors on here. Okay, so this is what I've done inside of the tent, and that's why I had to put it up. I had to put bolts in on all the four corners, and then underneath the trailer there's a bolt there, and well, there's 4 points. So that's basically to hold this thing down, although it is polyurethane down as well, but that's basically it. And check how nice this flap is. This is the access flap, and next up we're going to cut these 2 doors, and then we'll see about those triangle doors because they are quite difficult to make. Those doors, they need a little bit of adjustment, but so far it's working out. So if you made it this far, hit that subscribe button and maybe the thumbs up button as well if you want to. If you don't want to, that's also fine. Okay, so we are done with the hinges. I did a little backing plate at the back just to secure it a bit more. And we've managed to do all the doors now, even this little triangular door, which is just a service door basically for the jack and maybe the gas bottle. Both sides are service doors, if I can call it like that. And now we're busy masking up this whole tent. Because it's polyurethane on, I can't just take it off to respray, which is the next step. I want to respray this whole trailer a beige color, which I'm uncertain if I'm actually going to like or not. So comment down below if you guys actually like the color or if you don't. So as you guys can see, I wrapped it, this whole trailer, and I think it looks awesome. So yes, my GoPro just stopped working again on the mic, so sorry for that. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for this video. So if you guys liked what you've seen, please hit that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up button to help me. Thank you guys for watching, keep safe, cheers.